Good evening traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Well, we just thought we'd do a pretty late video, so we're currently an hour and 53 minutes into tonight's London session, and the reason so is we've seen a dramatic shift this today from risk assets to safe havens, and mainly to the yen. As we can see here, the dollar yen has hit basically multi-month lows today. It's been a dramatic, it's been a bad week for the dollar yen, but today's really just capped it off. This has all come down to earlier news hit the market, so we can see there nearly a 0.5% drop on the dollar yen so far today. As I was just saying, then this has all come down to a US airstrike that killed a Iranian commander in Iraq at the Baghdad airport, and this is sort of, well, I don't know if it's the complete reason, but it looks like it's a reason enough to have kicked off some dramatic selling against risk assets, mainly, well, basically to the dollar, but mainly to the yen. So we can see some of the sell-offs, like the Aussie is getting absolutely towed up tonight, and we can see that move lower. You know, it's over 1% move lower. Now, the US futures, so we just look at the US 30 now, this is tracking the outer hours, and we can just see how dramatic this move is as well. So it's basically pulled back nearly all of yesterday's rally. So currently the US 30 is down 1.1%, and oil surged today and is continuing to surge after this news. Now, that wasn't surprising, because any type of dramatic incident involving oil-producing nations will have a dramatic effect on oil, as we saw back in September. So we can see a 3.65% move at the moment. So, and that was the attack on the Saudi Arabian oil fields. So we can all remember in September how dramatic that move was. So another one that has been pushing higher as well and is continuing to push higher tonight is gold. So it really is a flight to safety at this point in time. So traders, I'm sure you've been seeing this develop through the day, but as we've moved through tonight's London session, heading to the New York session, we've just seen this selling really develop and strengthen. So we can see gold's at 1.27% so far. And the main currencies which have been really getting hit are the Aussie and the Euro and the Pound and the dollar to the Yen. So keep an eye on this tonight. We do have some key news coming out early tomorrow morning. So we have the FOMC, and we also have, a quick look here. I'm sorry about that, one moment. And just to end the week, it just slipped my mind, is the ISM manufacturing PMI. So that would be two, which may not have, well, the FOMC meeting minutes could compound some of these losses, or could cause a bit of a pullback in the USD if it comes out to support the USD. But they could also end things sharply lower if they continue to push risk markets lower. So keep an eye on this space, and enjoy your night and enjoy your weekend. Good trading. Bye for now.